Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to knock up some jigs for the router table to enable us to make some dovetail joints, some longitudinal dovetail joints, and enable us to make us some drawers and stuff like that. Enjoy. That's our sliding block. Keeps everything square. Keep everything on there. Straight through. Square. Right. So we've had to go with the softwood. Let's have a go with the hardwood. Right, let's get all these bits a bit of a finish off and we'll put it back together again. So, to be honest, it's a pretty easy way to make a drawer. Together. Slide. Should slide. Not bad. Get this one in as well. Might need a little bit of a slot it in nicely. Okay, pop this in. And then put the back in as well. We're going to have face side, yeah. Right, there you have it, a little drawer. I'm just going to finish this off with Danish oil, and that should bring it up a treat. Yeah, quite pleased with that. So that's how to make a very simple drawer, and just run it in and out. Very nice, very easy, very quick on the router table. Bear with me. There we go. And there you go. That's it. Finished drawer. Quick coat of Danish oil. You can finish with anything you like, but I think Danish oil really brings out the colour and the sheen to it, but not like a real gloss. So there you go.